In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this very easy and very simple and pretty coaster using embroidery flosses, and I have made small hearts in this coaster. So this pattern is super easy and you can make this in less than 15 minutes. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Hi, I am Shabori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let's begin. We will be using embroidery flosses. So I have used only one color and 1.75mm crochet hook. So at first we will make a magic circle, and then we will be doing a total of 6 single crochets in the magic circle. And then slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of this round, followed by chain 2, and we will not consider this to be any stitch. In the same stitch we will be doing one double crochet stitch, and then we will be doing a chain 2, followed by one double crochet in the next stitch, and then again chain 2, and we will repeat this pattern throughout the round. At the end of this round we will slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch of this round, followed by chain 2, and we will begin the third round. In the same stitch, we will be doing 3 double crochet stitches, and then chain 3. We will repeat this pattern in each and every stitch of the last round, that is 3 double crochets in each and every stitch followed by chain 3. At the end we will slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch of the round, followed by chain 2, and begin the next round. In the first stitch we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches, in the next stitch we will be doing 1 double crochet stitch, after that we will be doing 2 double crochets in the next stitch, followed by chain 3, and repeat the same pattern in the next set of 3 double crochets. When you have reached the end of this round, simply do a slip stitch in the first stitch of this round, followed by chain 2. In the first stitch we will be doing 2 double crochet stitch, in the next 3 stitches we will be doing 1 double crochet of those, and in the last stitch of this set we will be doing 2 double crochets. We will do a chain 3 and repeat the same pattern in the next set of 5 stitches. When you have reached the end of this round, simply do a slip stitch in the first stitch of this round. After that we will do a chain 2, and in this case we will consider this to be a stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, again yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, and finally draw the yarn through all the 3 loops. So a cluster of 3 double crochets are done in these 3 stitches. After that chain 3 and slip stitch in the next stitch, followed by chain 3 again. Then we have got a cluster of 3 double crochets again in the next 3 stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, draw the yarn and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, and repeat it in the last stitch also. We have got 4 and draw the yarn through all the 4 loops. So this is a cluster of 3 double crochets done in 3 stitches. Then chain 3 and slip stitch in the next stitch. A heart has been formed, as you can see. So make the next heart also. So chain 3, a cluster of 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. If you want to see how to do cluster stitches separately, then comment in the comment section. I will slowly demonstrate you the technique. So the first cluster stitch done in this heart, then chain 3, slip stitch in the next stitch, and again chain 3 and cluster of 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Draw the yarn through all the 4 loops and the cluster stitch is done. Then chain 3 and slip stitch in the chain 3 space, and repeat this pattern throughout the round. We will quickly complete this round of hearts. And at the end, slip stitch in the first cluster stitch. We will begin the next round by doing a slip stitch in the adjacent chain 3 space, followed by chain 3, and then again slip stitch in the next chain 3 space, followed by chain 3, slip stitch in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, and repeat this pattern throughout the round. This is a bordering round, so this is quite simple border, and it will make our coaster look really pretty. We will quickly complete this round, and when you have reached the end, simply slip stitch in the first chain 3 space where you began doing your chain 3s. After the slip stitch, do a chain 1 and cut the yarn and pull it and tighten it, and our coaster is ready. So with this, our easy pattern comes to an end. I hope you like this tutorial and found this helpful. If you like this tutorial, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.